Arriving at Sector
Let's go!
Lab and Control Facility.
Oh. Sorry, Freeman.
Please stand back from the automated door and wait for the security officer to verify your credentials.
Don't waste the hoppers, Dr. Freeman. We can use them against the Combine.
Be sure to check your area for personal belongings. Thank you, and have a very safe and productive day.
Morning, Mr. Freeman. Looks like you're running late. You know, Barney's been pretty scarce about his parts. Guess his bar tab must have finally caught up with him.
Aw, man, you cut the ponytail. Sellout.
Hey, Mr. Freeman. I had a bunch of messages for you, but we had a system crash about, 20 minutes ago, and I'm still trying to find my files. Just one of those days, I guess. They were also having some problems down in the test chamber, too, but I think that's all straightened out. They told me to make sure you headed down there as soon as you got into your hazmat suit.
Just a minute, Gordon.